Greetings everybody, coming to you on this rainy day from my 2024 Mercedes-Benz E350 4matic. This is the all-new W214 body style. Wanted to do a part 2 video showing some additional voice control functions that this car does now that I have connected it to the app on my phone. So let's I don't know which ones will automatically read and which ones I have to push the button for, so we'll just dive right in. Tell me a joke.
What is a rabbit's favorite snack? Computer chips.
What is the weather?
Currently it is raining in Washington with a temperature of 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Today it will be raining in Washington with a low of 39 and a high of 57 degrees Fahrenheit.
Tire pressure. What's the tire pressure?
Just let me take a look. Front left 43, front right 42, rear left 43, rear right 43.
What is the oil pressure? What is the oil level? What is the oil level?
Can you say that again, please?
Oil level. Okay, so it doesn't understand that one. Let's try this one. What is the engine temperature?
Unfortunately, this function can't be operated using voice control.
Okay. Let's see, I'm trying to think of some other ones I haven't done yet. Turn on the passenger heated seat.
Activating the seat heating for the front passenger seat.
Turn off the passenger heated seat.
Deactivating the seat heating for the front passenger seat.
Driver's seat memory position 2.
Unfortunately, this function can't be operated using voice control.
Okay, so there's another one. Now with it raining like this, I'm gonna just try this one a different way. Close sunroof.
This function can't be activated at the moment.
Maybe that's because it's already closed. Let me try it with something else. Close windows.
This function is not available.
Okay, so I might be asking too much of it there. Well, put down in the comments if there's if you've got some ideas of things you'd like me to ask it to see what the response is. Normally I'm pretty creative with these types of things, but that's about the best I've got. Let me try another one. Set cruise control to 61.
Unfortunately, cruise control can't be operated using voice control.
Okay, so at least it understood me there. Let's try this one. I'll bet you this won't work. Turn off windshield wipers.
Unfortunately, the windshield wipers can be operated using voice control.
Okay, so I mean it's understanding a lot of what I'm saying. So that's pretty cool. Let's see, we've got a little bit of traffic drama here. Get over
You have
safely.
not set a destination.
How fast am I going?
Unfortunately, this function can't be operated using voice control.
Okay, so that's just a bunch of random things that I've thought of. Anyway, yeah, I'll take take into account any comments of anything anyone wants to see related to things to say to the MBUX. Let me try one more I just thought of. Who are you?
Mercedes.
That was pretty funny. Okay, have a great day, everyone.